In today's increasingly technology-driven marketplace, it is critical to keep up with the latest innovations and solutions. It is imperative to make the most of your investments to keep your business moving forward. Whether you are new to working with an IT partner or have worked with one for years, SDev Tech will help you find the most cost-efficient support and solutions your business needs to gain and maintain a competitive advantage. SDev Tech is a fast-growing provider of IT solutions and services in the Philippines to different business sectors. SDev Tech provides unique, tailor-made, and enhanced services through building long-term relationships with a wide range of clients. Let SDev Tech handle your IT. SDev Tech helps empower your business by providing you with the following IT solutions and services: mobile and web apps design, development, and hosting, website design, development, and hosting, business collaboration solutions through HCL Notes, Domino, Microsoft 365, and NextCloud, human resources information system, bespoke system development, vulnerability and penetration testing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, managed application services, managed network services, and IT staff augmentation. Technology is not just about speeding up the process and allowing flexibility, but also transforming business functions that will save the business time and investment, if implemented and maintained properly. Feel free to contact us for any queries and information.